Yes, so God is good, man. God is good.
Yeah. Let's go, man.
The tallest man in the building. That's the tallest man in the building.
Tell them you already know. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay.
Go shout.
Go shout. Let's do this. Hey. Yo, shout. Hey, yo. Tell us something. Let's go.
Hey. But we did the dance with the Fina. My body touch your body, but we ginger. Papa, swagger. St. Louis on the beat with the killer. Rapper, who put down the Calquego. Don't Chichi, who go Meku. Frank Oli, but we do. That's what they said. I like him. We gotta do right, but we leak out. Fresh like they don't even love her. We are so great, I don't have her. Oh, my sham rap, but we rock her. I got the line, and they take a ball. Come to the floor, but we can't hold. Now I got to the top, but we did it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, hey. Sit on us, hey. Hey.
Okay.
Hey.
Yes.
Hey.
Okay. And you already know where that is.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah. I said, introduce me to the one that pump quick. If you don't like my style, I'm on man on the head. I'm on the street, I'm on man, I've been in the head.
Hey.
I've been on my wall, man, looking on my head.
Hey.
See, that one.
Hey.
Everybody here wants that one.
Hey.
Lean on, man, hold that one.
Hey.
Everybody see, hold
Get
that
out,
one.
get out. What's that? Concentrate. Concentrate with me, man. Make some noise. Calm down. Osaja, I need that energy. Once I ginger you, energy, okay?
Let's do this,
Heavy.
man. Let's go.
Okay. Calm down. Listen. When I say mommy, you say yo. Mommy.
Yo.
Mommy.
Yo.
When I say daddy, you say yo. Daddy.
Yo.
Daddy.
Yo.
Okay, wait.
Yo.
This is a moment we need to enjoy. This is music meets fashion. Okay? I got the biggest.
Yes, sir.
Afro model in the building.
Tell her.
Hope you like my swag. Are you feeling my swag? Versace. Are you feeling my swag? Let me. Are you feeling my swag?
Okay, wait. Are you feeling my swag? They said no.
Are you feeling my swag, baby? Thank you. Make some noise now, the beautiful ladies. Let me see your hands in the air. If you know you're blessed, you're making money like me.
Yes, sir.
Let me hear you say, when I say mommy, you say yo. Mommy.
Yo.
Mommy.
Yo.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah. Woo. Anna, you ready for this? Let's give to them, man. Yeah. Let's go. On time. Yeah. Let's go.
Hey. Axel. Hey. Mother.
Go.
Let's go. Mommy, yo. Make we wanna dance. Mommy, yo. You wanna shake your body. Mommy, yo. Make you wanna call your daddy. Move to the right. Move to the left. Always you wanna dance. Mommy, yo. Make you wanna Okay. I didn't go with my dance. I didn't go with my dancers today.
Yes, sir.
So Afro Model collection, they're meant to be my dancer, but they have to model for us. Please, if you know you love this designer, let me hear you say area. Okay, I would like to call the head of this brand, Afro Model. Mr. Afro Model, can you please step out? Mr. Afro Model, the main man. I want to see you.
Put an extra together for Mr. Afro in the building. Let's go.
This is my nephew. This is my nephew here. This is my blood. This is my brother. Okay? So, CEO Afro Model, what do you have to say?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for this wonderful show. And I want to say a big thank you to the organizers for giving me the opportunity to showcase my collection. If you want to check out, you can check out me on www.afromodel.co.uk, on Instagram, afromodel.uk. Thank you very much, and God bless.
Thank you. Keep supporting our UK Afrobeat brand, okay? My name is Ada Style, the Golden of Africa.